The great battery of the Galaxy Note series has returned and is better than ever in the Galaxy Note 9, as shown by the disassembly of iFixit of the new phone. Yes, the specification of 4000 mAh tells you that it is probably quite large. Typical batteries operate between 2500 and 3500 mAh in comparison, but according to iFixit, its capacity of 15.4 Wh exceeds the Note 7 of 13.5 Wh and the Note 8 crisis of confidence-contraction 12.7 Wh. Physically, it's 3.5 by 1.6 by 0.2 by 88 by 42 by 6 mm, which is longer than the 3-inch width of an iPhone 8 Plus and less than 2 mm shy of the thickness of the iPhone X. iFixit also says that Note 9 weighs 547 grams, or 19.3 ounces, more than the entire phone weighs, so it's probably not correct. However, it retains the tradition of low repairability of the Note series, with battery and screen attached. Your heat pipe has more surface area for better cooling. iFixit also speculates that the new Bluetooth S Pen is charged inductively when you connect it to the phone.